Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again. So ngayon is magkukupon tayo and then yung ating budget lang is $5. So titingnan natin kung saan aabot yung ating $5. As you can see guys, may tatlong pricing dito sa isang items. Una is yung $4.19, yan yung regular price. Yung isa naman $3.99 is sale price at yung isa is $2.99, yan yung kasali doon sa buy 5 or more or yung kasali sa mega event sale. So, yung first item natin guys is itong ating back pen na kung saan is 10 for 10 o $1 each. So, dalawa yung kukunin ko at total of $2 and then gagamitin ko tong coupon na $1.50. Good for 2 na siya guys ha. So, yung bagong total ng ating pen is 50 cents for both. Okay? So, hindi na masama. 50 cents para sa dalawa. Next item natin is itong ating Crest Pro Health na $1.99. Then gagamitin ko tong $2 off 1 na coupon. So yung Crest toothpaste natin is free na lang. As you can see guys, yung coupon ko is expired na siya. Okay? So tumatanggap yung store ko dito ng expired coupon. So dalawang toothbrush yung kukunin ko at total of $3.98 and then dalawang coupon yung gagamitin ko which is a total of $4. So after coupon, yung toothbrush natin is free na lang siya. Next natin is itong ating Tresemme na 5 off to. So dalawang Tresemme at total of $5.98. Then after coupon is 98 cents na lang para sa dalawang Tresemme guys. Mura na. Next naman is itong ating Garnier. So gagamitin ko tong 4 off to. So yung total ng dalawang Garnier natin is $4.58. So after coupon is 58 cents na lang para sa dalawang Garnier guys. So mura. Next naman is itong ating Bic razor guys. So meron ako ditong $3 off 1. So isang razor lang yung kukunin natin. So yung price ng razor guys is $2.49. So after coupon is free na lang siya and 51 cents money maker. Next item natin is itong ating razor na naman. So yung price is $2.79 and meron tayong digital coupon na $3 off. So after coupon is free and 21 cents money maker. Last item natin is itong ating Suave body wash na a total of $3.96. So after coupon is $1.96 na lang siya. Mura na. So, as you can see guys, tapos na tayo. So mayroon lang akong 15 na items and din ito naman yung mga coupon na gagamitin ko. So let's see kung how much yung masisave natin. So guys, na-scan ko na lahat yung aking items. So after ko ma-scan is yan na $49.84 na, kasama na doon yung tax. So in-scan ko na din yung value card ko. So yan yung nabawas. So $26.99 na lang and then scan ko yung coupon. So after coupon is $5.49 na lang para sa 15 items natin. Sa balita, hindi natin na tupad yung $5 budget natin. Lumagpas kasi tayo ng 49 cents. As you can see naman sa video ko, sa self-checkout natin, lumagpas tayo ng 49 cents. Okay? So, kahit ganun pa man guys, is okay pa rin siya kasi saan ka pa ba sa 15 items, then babayaran mo lang is $5.49. Okay? So, yan. So, ito yung resibo guys. Yan, as you can see, yung SC is yan yung store coupon which is mega event sale. So halos lahat ng kinuha ko, I think 12 items is kasali doon sa mega event sale which is kapag bibili ka ng 5 or more is kakaltasan yan nila ng $1. Okay? So yan. So as you can see dito, yan. So, ito pala guys, diba may digital tayo. So, ito siya dito. Dito nag-attach yung ating digital. So, ayan. As you can see, yan siya. ECPN. So, yan yung ating $3 off 1 na digital for our razor. Yan. So, yan siya. So, as you can see, yan yung mga coupon natin. So, yung total ng coupon ko is 17 yata kasi wait lang guys, bilangin natin. Okay, so 250, 450, 650, 10, 1550, 17, 20, 2150 yung ating total ng coupon. Okay? And then guys, as you can see naman guys, oh look, yung tax natin guys, yan, ito siguro yung dahilan bakit lumagpas tayo. Kung yung tax natin is $2.22, ang laki. Then, yung balance natin after tax na is $5.49. Kung ima-minus nyo yung total ng yung $5.49 sa $2.22, yan yung tax is, so lumalabas na $3.27 lang yung total sana if walang tax. Oh my goodness. And look guys, oh, nakasave tayo ng $42.88. So, saan ka pa ba? Nakasave tayo ng mas malaki. So, for me guys, it's good deal na. But still, hindi natin natupad yung $5. Pero okay na yung guys. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye!